Next thing is the gravitational potential energy. Gravitational potential energy is what? Potential energy is the mgh. Potential energy will be equals to what? What is the formula of the potential energy? Mgh. Potential energy mgh. So it is also very simple to understand that body is kept here and its mass is m, and g is what? Small g is gravitational acceleration, that means acceleration due to gravity. Okay, so it becomes mgh. Mgh, where m is the mass of the object, mass of the body, g is acceleration due to gravity, h is what? H is the height. So mgh is what? Mgh is the potential energy, and also it will be equals to the work done. So also we can write here, we can write the work done, W will be equals to mgh. If we are lifting the box, and box is here, so what will be the work done here? If a box is kept here and at a height of, that means h, so what will be the work done? Work done would be what? Work done would be mgh. And mgh is what? Mgh is gravitational potential energy. Mgh is gravitational potential energy. So potential energy, but due to the position, shape and configuration of an object. So if anything is kept at a height, that means it has what? Which type of energy? It has the potential energy. So it is also very easy to that means derive. Okay, so what we do for the derivation? Energy possessed by a body by virtue of its position is called potential energy. So derivation is also very simple. Let us consider a body of mass A. Simple, we can consider a body of mass F, and it is raised at the ground from the height of h. Means it is kept at the ground from the height of h. The amount of work done against gravity is will be equal to F into h. Here we can take F into h. Work done will be equal to F into s. But in the place of s is what? S is the displacement. So in the case of the gravitational potential energy, in the place of s, we can write what? We can write h. So F is W is equal to Fh. H is what? Displacement or height. So we know that in the place of m, we can write mg, the weight of the body, mg, because we know that F is equal to ma, but a in the gravitational acceleration, we can take acceleration due to gravity g, so mg. So force F will be equal to mg, means this mg is what? This mg is the weight of the object, weight of the body. So here we can write W is equals to mgh. Okay, because in the place of F we can write mg, and h is already here, so we can write mgh. So it is very simple to find the W is equal to mgh. Okay, then the next thing is that here it is, this is height h and body is, that means from A to B position. If it is lifting from A to B position and height is 8, height is h, so what will be the potential energy? Mgh. In this case also potential energy is mgh. It doesn't matter, path is not required, because here the path is different. You can see here the path in this way, the total path, but we can take height is h. Okay, whatever the path, whatever be the path, whatever the body is moving and whatever the path is moving, but the actual height is h. So in this case also the potential energy is mgh, and in this case also the potential energy is mgh. So path is doesn't matter how the, that means path of the body, but actual distance, the actual height for both the bodies are the same. So for the both the bodies, that means for both the cases, the potential energy will be what? Mgh. Okay, so the next thing is to understand is the example of the potential energy. Example of the potential energy is what? Stretching a rubber band. If we stretch the rubber band, means it has potential energy, because it is not in motion. If it is not in motion, only it is stretched, means it has what? Which type of energy? It has potential energy. Water at the dam, what is not flowing? If it starts flowing, means it will be, it would have what? It would have the kinetic energy. Because if it is only kept at the dam, what is only kept at the dam, means it has which type of energy? It has the potential energy. Okay, and yo-yo is held in your hand, means it is held in your hand, means it is not in motion, so it has potential energy. Drawing a bow, if it is stretchable, that means it has, if it is not drawn, means it has the potential energy. So there are various examples, many examples of potential energy we can easily understand. What is stored in the dam? Storing water has the potential energy. The stretched, compressed spring. If spring is stretched, it has potential energy. Okay, stretch bow and arrow have the potential energy due to its shape. Okay, so due to the shape, position, and configuration, that means the body has which type of energy? The body has the potential energy. So it is also very easy to understand. After that, we'll see that means energy conversion. Energy is convertible. We all know that energy that means it converts one form to another form. Transformation, interconvertible. Energy is interconvertible, means it converts one form to another form. Conversion of kinetic energy is sound and heat energy. Conversion of potential energy into kinetic energy and then in electrical energy, means it is interconvertible. Energy converts one form to other form. Okay, so there are many machines, devices that converts the energy one forms to another form, like conversion of chemical energy into electrical energy. Here you can see the chemical energy that means convert into kinetic energy, and the chemical energy also convert electrical energy, then kinetic energy, then that means in different way energy can be converted. So it is interconvertible. Energy is what? Energy is interconvertible. Also here we can see the chemical energy. If we take food, then if we run, then what will happen? It will have energy, kinetic energy, then chemical energy to this mechanical energy, also chemical energy to electrical energy to light energy, because from the electric, that means light is bulb is glowing. So light and that means electrical energy to light and sound energy. So energy is interconvertible, means it converts, it transforms one forms to another form. So what, and different devices also transform energy one forms to another forms. That means heat engine. What does heat engine? Converts heat energy into mechanical energy. Thermal power plant converts chemical energy of the coal into electrical energy. Electric motor converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Electric heater converts electrical energy into heat energy. Dry cell converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Microphone converts sound energy into electrical energy. Photocell converts light energy into electrical energy. Lever transforms muscular energy into useful mechanical energy. So that means energy is interconvertible. Easily we can say here, that means it converts one forms to another forms. Okay. So thank you.